Okay, so another video for our volleyball series about FIVB rules, volleyball rules 2021-2024. So, wala na akong masyadong nababago dun sa rules ng volleyball. Siguro mga mga slight changes due to the media, due to uh, uh, arising, like they protect players from accidents. Wala na naman bumabago eh. Kumbaga meron lang things like, yung nga, sabi ko, konting-konti lang kasi halos lahat naman ng rules okay na eh. So, nagkakaroon na lang ng slight adjustments with the rules in particular to some extent of the things na minsan unavoidable or special circumstances. Yan. So, let's go with our series, yung pangatlo natin, which is the ball. So, number 3 is the ball, 3.1, standard. So, nagpakita tayo ng bola from Mikasa. Ito yung ginagamit exclusively official game ball, which is FIVB approved, size number 5. So, kung makikita nyo, in compare with the basketball, ang basketball ay size 7, kids basketball is size 6, this is size 5. Medyo maliit na konti sa in compared to kids basketball, which is size 6. So the ball, spherical, bilog, made of flexible leather, synthetic leather, case with a bladder inside, made of rubber or similar material. The color may be uniform, light color, or combination of colors. So kung makikita nyo rito, meron ditong isang klase ng bola na kulay green, which is exclusive naman para sa FIVB Indoor Volleyball, which is for CEV Champions League. So, marami pa rin iba't ibang kulay dito, which is this one. Yung foam, which is for kids. May foam dito. Actually, napakadami nito. Mga different kinds of volleyballs. Yan. May foam cover, indoor volleyball size 5. Pero ito yung ginagamit sa championships. This one. Yan. Size 5. Yan. Hindi ko alam. Ito. Meron din dito. So, hindi ko na tignan yung presyo. Bahala na katamin sa mikasa.com. Circumference is 65 to 67 centimeters and weight is 260 to 280. Parang 1/4 kilo in compare sa kilograms. Inside the ball, the pressure shall be 0.3 to 0.325 kilograms per centimeter squared or 4.26 to 4.61 psi, 294.3 to 318.82 MBAR or yung atmospheric pressure. If I'm not mistaken. So, dun sa uniformity of balls, all balls used in match must have the same standards regarding to circumference, weight, pressure, type, and color. Dun sa FIVB World competition, as well as the National League competition, must be played with FIVB approved balls unless by agreement by FIVB. So, ito na nga yung nasa screen na natin yung exclusive FIVB approved. So, ball retrieval system. So, shall be used. Meron tayong 6 ball retriever station at each corner of the free zone and 1 behind each referee. So, bakit nga ba napakadami? Kasi yung bola ng volleyball talagang lumilipad yan kung kahit saan. Minsan, napupunta sa audience, minsan gugulo, minsan hindi mo alam kung saan pupunta. Kaya sometimes, talagang 6 yung ball retrievers nila na station in every corner, sa free zone, at sa likod ng long ref. Yun. So, yun. Yun na yung natin. All about balls. So, wrap up natin Usually, As a referee din ng volleyball, pagka nagkakaroon din ng mga matches, usually iba yung kulay ah, ng playing court do sa bola. Bakit nga mo? Para madaling makita ng referee yung bola kung saan man siya mag-ground. Kasi usually kasi ang goal ng volleyball is to ground the ball or make faults of the opponents of opposite players. So by using a different colored court from the ball makes it easier for the referees to determine if it is outside or inside. And also aided with the special technology yung ginagamit sa VNL, bisa nawawala na yung human error of the line judges. Kung mapapansin nyo sa UAP, mayroong mga line judge. Sa VNL, wala ako ata nakita line judge, pero there is a, tawag ito, special technology which determines the outside and inside. Wala na sila masyado, ano tawag ito? Challenge doon sa ball in, ball out. Pero doon sa FIBB, meron. Ayan. I don't know if the VNL is following the FIBB rules. Pero iba yung ano nila, iba yung from the line judging, iba na yung technology nila. Yun. So, tandaan natin ulit, bola ng volleyball spherical, made of rubber or similar material. Ang circumference ay 65 to 67, 260 to 180. Ang PSI niya is 40.26 and 4 hanggang 4.61 PSI. Yun lang naman. Then, the balls that we use in certain matches, for example, FIBB World Match, kailangan approved by the FIBB or unless agreement with the FIBB if it is uh, a big league like that. Okay? So, yun. See you the next video na lang. If you have questions or comments, please post it sa comment section para magawa natin ng video. Thank you.